English-Belarusian past tense. I went. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey welcome. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Today we'll nail the English-Belarusian past of to go with jokes, speedy drills, and a mini quiz. Buckle up, Your goal today. By the end, you'll confidently say every person of went in Belarusian. Target. Recognize and pronounce 8 key forms in short, real-life lines. Pro tip. After each Belarusian phrase, I'll pause, repeat out loud. Yes, even if your cat is judging you. Forms you'll master. Repeat after me, nice and bold. I went. You went, singular. He went.
Пошел.
She went.
Пошла.
It went.
Пошло.
We went.
Мы пошли.
You went, plural.
Išli.
They went.
Яны.
Mini dialogues. Let's drop these into friendly, everyday moments. Imagine you're there. A. Are you leaving now? B. Yes, I went. A. Where's Max? B. He went.
Пошел.
A. And Anna? B. She went.
Пошла.
A. How was the launch? B. It went well.
Пошло.
Dobra. A. Team, ready? B. We went.
Мы пошли.
Guide. Yesterday, you went together.
Išli.
Razum. A. Where are the students? B. They went.
Яны.
Use a lu. A. And you, B. You, SG, went. Datomu rana. Pronunciation hacks. Shape the sounds with quick cues. Podge. Like, pie, yum, s. A soft, shish, su, slaw, slow, shli. Shish, plus, lo, li, endings. Say it on a beat. Ya, hi, show equals. Clap and say, we went, equals.
Мы пошли.
Speed drill. Rapid fire time. Echo each one after the pause. You, SG, went. He went.
Пошел.
She went.
Пошла.
It went.
Пошло.
We went.
Мы пошли.
You, plural, went.
Išli.
They went.
Яны.
I went. Culture tip. Here's a super useful real-world nugget. In casual Belarusian, announcing you're heading out is often just, I'm off. If you're male, or
Я пошла.
if you're female, it's friendly, brief, and perfect when leaving work or a friend's place. Quiz time. Answer out loud, I'll reveal the answer after a short pause. Q1. Say, they went. A.
Яны.
Q2. Say, we went. A.
Мы пошли.
Q3. Say, it went well. A.
Пошло.
Dobra. Q4. Say, you went, plural. A.
Išli.
Final challenge. Ready, Build a mini-story in 3 lines. Line 1. After the movie, we went.
После фильма мы пошли.
Line 2. You, SG, went home and she went for coffee.
Ти пішов додому, а я не пішла по каву.
Line 3. It went perfectly, then they went to celebrate.
Яно пайшло видатно, потым яны пайшлі святкаваць.
Wrap up and thanks. Great work, do. You owned the past tense of to go. Thanks for listening. This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing. I went. We went.
Ми пайшлі.
And the whole set daily. For more lessons, games, and downloads, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.